Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Diana here yet with another video. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to laminate a document. Actually, this video is for the beginners who are still new to these cyber skills. So this video is for you. And in this video, guys, make sure you follow me through every step and every detail that I try to explain in this video. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my video, please do so. I have so many amazing videos that I've uploaded previously. Make sure you go and watch them, and also more videos to come in future. Comment in this video. Let me know what you think about this video to the end of it. Like, share, and I tell guys, like my video, comment. It helps distribute my video to wider audience, as well as when you subscribe, when you watch it, you also distribute it to a wider audience, and imagine it might help a person out there who has a similar problem or who doesn't know how to laminate it for free. Liking is free, subscribing is free. It could be a debatable issue if you had to pay something so as you can subscribe to someone's YouTube channel. So without much ado, guys, let's get to this video. Remember, you watch this video till the end. So guys, let's go. So guys, first thing first, make sure that you have a stable power source, which I have. Like, okay, step 2. Now this is my laminator's power cable, so I'm going to insert it like that. And by then, make sure when you are inserting things in a socket, it should be powered off first. After that, then I'm going to power it on like that, and I'm going now to focus on my laminate. I'm going to focus on my laminator, and I want hot lamination. And when it's ready, it will, the green light will be so bright as an indication that the laminator is ready. And here we have the temperature control. You can control the temperature to the degrees you want. You can regulate it to that. You can just the way you want it to be. So let's wait for the green button to show it's ready. I want it to be like that. So when it's ready, we will proceed with the lamination process. So let's give it time to be. Once it's ready, we'll proceed with laminating our document. So I'm just picking a document that I want to laminate. Okay. So guys, as you can see, the green button is ready. So I'm going to place my document like that. It's supposed to be forward. So I'm doing a forward lamination, as you can see, and the laminator will pick my document in that manner. Yeah, and make sure you're using the right lamination pouch. For IDs, they have the lamination pouches to fit their size, but this one is an A4 lamination pouch. As you can see, it's picking the document in that manner, and it's coming out from this other side. Don't mind my place here. I'm still working on this, guys. Yeah, so that is how my paper is coming out. Guys, as you can see, laminating a document is an easy peasy task. It's so simple. So if you follow this video till the end and you've loved it, give it a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.